Hello and welcome to SAP Ariba Customer Self-Service videos. Today we're going to look at building event content using simplified Excel uploads. We've had a traditional Excel import feature which lets us use Excel to build event content. But the traditional Excel import feature has an Excel sheet with multiple tabs where you can add suppliers, pricing content, non-pricing content, supplier participation, initial pricing, and so on. Usually we've seen the requirement for Excel uploads or for Excel import is when we want to add multiple line items. So we want to add 10 line items, 20, 50 line items, and it's usually building content of line items. So we just want to add line items and we want an easier process. Right now, when we're adding line items, we still have to fill up the multiple tabs in Excel, and which doesn't really make it easy or intuitive to use. We now have a feature called Simplified Excel Upload, which does exactly this. Just gives you a single tab in the Excel sheet to upload your line items. Let's go and have a look at the solution and see how this works. Here we are in an RFP. I've created my RFP with one line item, and now I just want to add 9 more line items to this. What's an easier way to do it? We have the traditional Excel import button here, and we have a simplified Excel import button. Let's just go into the traditional Excel import option right now quickly, and let's have a look at how easy or hard it is to do this. Right, so I'm going to go ahead and save this file on my desktop. And let's open this file. And what we see now here is an Excel with multiple tabs. We have a tab for content, pricing, terms, conditions, participant, item participants, and so on and so forth. It takes a bit of learning on how to use it, and it's not the most intuitive or doesn't make the best user experience. What we want is a simple Excel file to just upload all my content in it. One tab that does it all. So let's go back to my content screen, and this is what we can do with simplified Excel import. Click here to open an RFP. I'm going to save this back on my desktop, and I'll open this. Now what I get is a simplified Excel sheet with just one tab. That's it for my line items, right? Let's go ahead and populate this content. I have a sheet here on my desktop. This is what I want to do. So I just want to copy this another 9 times. Copy the names of my Excel file. Copy the historic pricing that I want to put in for these items and the quantities. Save it, close it, close it. I come back here, look for the file, open, import. Here are my 10 line items uploaded with the quantity, and I've put an historic pricing for each of these items. Right, and that's it. A simplified Excel import functionality to just import your line item content. So here's what we've seen in the solution. One single tab that makes it easy for us buyers to just go and upload event content and add line items without having to go through the multiple tabs. This is what I had planned to cover in this video. For any more details on this, do visit SAP Ariba Help. For any questions on this, reach out to your SAP Ariba Customer Engagement Executive. Thank you.